Welcome to Terminology Tutor. Today, we're exploring diverse transportation vocabulary in English. Let's dive in.
Kayak. We paddled our kayak down the river for an adventure.
Canoe. Exploring the lake in a canoe was a peaceful experience. Ship. The ship sailed gracefully across the vast ocean.
Boat. The boat gently rocked on the calm waters of the lake.
Ferry. We boarded the ferry to cross the bay and reach the island.
Personal watercraft. We had a blast riding the personal watercraft, also known as a jet ski, at the lake this weekend.
Tram. We hopped on the tram to explore the city's historic district.
Van. They loaded up the van for a weekend camping trip.
Subway. The subway is the most efficient way to navigate the bustling city during rush hour.
Truck. The truck delivered the much-needed supplies to the remote village.
Car. He drove his car to work every morning.
Taxi. She always prefers taking a taxi over public transportation.
Train. We booked tickets for the train to travel across the country.
Motorcycle. He loved the feeling of freedom that came with riding his motorcycle.
Bus. The bus arrived right on schedule, ready to take us downtown.
Tuk-tuk. Getting around the city in a tuk-tuk was a unique experience.
RV, recreational vehicle. We went on a road trip with our RV last summer.
Golf cart. We toured the golf course in a golf cart.
Bicycle. Riding her bicycle through the park was her favorite way to unwind. Scooter. She zipped around town on her electric scooter.
Skateboard. He cruised down the street on his skateboard, performing tricks.
Segways. Tourists glided through the park on segways.
Rollerblades. She enjoys rollerblading along the boardwalk at sunset.
Tandem bicycle. Riding a tandem bicycle with a friend is a fun activity.
Hoverboard. Hoverboarding through the park felt like gliding in the air.
Unicycle. Balancing on a unicycle requires practice and skill.
Snowmobile. They raced snowmobiles across the snowy terrain.
Sled. The children had fun sledding down the hill in winter.
Dog sled. Dog sled racing requires strong teamwork between the musher and the sled dogs.
Camel. Riding a camel through the desert was an unforgettable adventure.
Horse. They explored the countryside on horseback.
Rickshaw. Tourists explored the city streets in a traditional rickshaw.
Plane. Flying in a plane always fills me with excitement and anticipation.
Hot air balloon. Taking a ride in a hot air balloon was an unforgettable experience.
Cable car. Tourists enjoyed panoramic views of the mountains from the cable car.
Hang glider. Hang gliding over the mountains was an exhilarating experience.
Helicopter. The helicopter soared high above the city, offering breathtaking views.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to keep learning with Terminology Tutor.